and the top one is power. So on the back, we have a main power switch. And when we turn our power on, it's gonna blink, and it's gonna sample the power coming into the machine. That's how you know you got power to the machine, you're ready to go. Power on is bottom left. You hold it in, and you'll immediately see your temperature controllers light up here. And then we're gonna see this eye, picture of the eye. All right, see it? And also we have a guide in the front here. This guide is remove operator choice on this. Well, if I take this off, and I'll put my hand in front, you're gonna see that going on and off. Okay? Machine only runs in automatic with that light on. All right, when we're not using this bar, it goes here. Okay? You cannot bend that bar. Bar has to be perfectly flat or it will scratch the images going in. All right. We're always going to run at speed 2. That's that is the international speed for best results. Speed 2. Okay. Slower or faster is operator choice, but I'm going to tell you the speed that works the best is speed 2. Okay. Now we're going to open the roller. I have this piece of film in here already, right? And I'm going to show you something. And I'm going to put this through. Perfectly flat. Right now. And I am going to go to maximum pressure. I'm just going to go as far down as I could get it. Now, do you remember what I said? I drew my smiles on there. Short. Short pieces, the image doesn't build up enough of stress to give you a problem. But if we were running an 8-foot panel, this is a little short, not quite 8-foot panel, but let me show you. We're going to start it, hit our drive button, our drive light's going to go on, we're at speed 2. And I want you to watch that image start buckling in the middle right there. And it's probably going to buckle so much it's going to hit the eye off. It's going to shut the eye off. You see it buckling already? Yeah, right? Okay, that's this without writing on it. You can see what it's doing. I'm applying so much pressure on the ends that it's making the image go to the middle. It's simple to see it like that, right?
Yeah.
To understand it, it's real easy to see. All right, we'll see. I don't know. I didn't do this all the way yet to see whether it's actually going to buckle up and hit the eye or not. Well, it's getting pretty bad, huh? I'm not going to waste my time. I'm going to stop it. All right, and I'm going to open roller up. And I'm going to slide this back out. And then I'm going to go down to 60%. The reason is I already kind of know. See? I got 40, 50, 60. We're going to do the same test. Okay, same thing. What do you notice already? Going in pretty flat already, right? Yeah. Or put it this way, a lot flatter.
Yeah.
All right, stop. So you can see what the difference of between full pressure and 60. Why? It's because we're just controlling that deflection of the roller. All right, now. Open this back up. Now, when we're feeding this stuff in, everything has to be nice and square. Okay? Now, you see how I'm feeding this in? I got nothing curly over here like this. Like most of the time we work with heavy stuff, that's going to want to curl up over there. Well, if we take our guide, our image guide, and we put that on, and you can see that that guide is going to make it real easy to feed the printed now. Yeah? Okay? So it's doing two things. Keeping our fingers out of there, keeping that zippy cutter from going in.
Yeah.
Yeah? So we have a double safety. We got the laser, and we have the guide. Your call here, there are times when you don't want to use that guide, and there are times when you want to use it. So it's there for you. Any questions so far? Okay. 99.9%. you could buy 80%, the rest, basically, if you wanna make 80%, you buy 99.9, and you put 20% water in. Alright, you got 80%, so buy 99%, cause the reason for that is because when we wipe stuff off, it all evaporates off, and it doesn't leave anything on, okay, so 99.9%. And you got a couple of choices of rags that I see here to use, but this is for cleaning the rollers, okay? Cleaning the machine, got a variety of things to clean the machine. I already cleaned it up pretty good. Got all the fingerprints off from moving yesterday, but you got a variety of products to clean the machine with. When the machine gets dirty, your work gets dirty. Because of the amount of static that the film creates being used, it draws everything into the film. And one of the bad things is that, yeah, I'm not sure whether we have a vent,
Yeah, that's a hair.
whether that's intake or exhaust.
It's
But we don't really want stuff blowing down on the adhesive. So if you get working in here, you're finding a lot of particles underneath your lamb and stuff, there may be some reasons to redirect those to just hang something so that you're not blowing the stuff on the adhesive, because that'll be a problem. Alright, next, we got spare fuses. These little guys right here go on the back side of this control panel right here. These are just safety fuses in case you wrap the rollers. You're gonna look up in here, but there's little button fuses up here. Basically for you guys, you call the maintenance people. And
These
you're
are
gonna
maintenance
tell them,
people.
yeah, maintenance
These are
guy?
tech,
Oh, yeah,
these
you're
are
up here,
tech guys.
okay.
He's our tech guy.
Just a second, see the roll of buttons, things there?
Yeah.
You really ain't gotta worry about it. But the reason is that if you wrap the rollers, you're gonna blow a fuse, it saves the machine. Alright, so I'm gonna put the extra fuses right down in the cabinet here, okay?
So, fuse, safety, umpy,